How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily fix the Snapchat support code SS06. This usually happens when you try to log into Snapchat, but your login or your account is temporarily locked or banned. So what you basically have to do here is try to log into your account, but if you're unable to do so, then the first thing you can do is try to switch your network because oftentimes when you switch over your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data, Snapchat will re-register your network, and then you should be able to log in without any problem. Now, if you're using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi as well. Once you have done that, the next thing you can try to do is disable the app once. Go to settings and then scroll down until you find your app settings. Tap on apps. Now from the list of your apps, you can tap the search icon at the top right to find Snapchat, or simply scroll down until you find Snapchat over here. So let me just quickly scroll to the bottom until I find Snapchat. I can just tap on it, and then I'm able to go to disable or archive it. You can archive the app if you have it on your option. Tap on it and it's going to be temporarily disabled for now. And then you can just tap on restore to simply restore your app. Now, once you have done that, you could also try to contact Snapchat support if you want, and they would most definitely help you. Then one more thing you can do is try to clear your Snapchat's cache. So let's wait for it to restore completely first. Now from here, you want to go over to storage and then tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you could also try to clear data if you want. However, this is gonna delete everything, including your files, photos, and everything else. And that's basically it. Now your Snapchat should start working normally. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.